So if you want to transfer photos or videos from the Files app to internal storage on your Android device, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch the File Manager app on your device. So you have to tap on the folder or the location of where your photos are stored. So once you are here on your photos or videos, you have to tap and hold that on that photo and you have to select that photo like this. After selecting that photo, you can see the more option or three dot option which is on the bottom. And here you can move this photo here. Let's go and you can see the move option too. If you don't find the move option, you have to just go for the three dot option and you will find the move option here, or you can go for the move option. So once you are on your move option in the file clicker, you can see the internal storage or internal share storage. Just tap on that. And you have to choose a designated folder where you would like to move your photos. Here you can see that. After that, here you have to just go and select that folder and go for the paste option. And here you can find your internal storage photo here like this. So this is the simple step how you can transfer your photos or videos from your file app to internal storage on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.